Yes, it is required to be on site to do clinicals here on site, that I can be there to oversee everything that's going on when you're practicing, when you're doing your clinicals, practicals, everything that you're going to do. You do have to be in house.
Hmm. And I know I'm asking a lot of questions, right? Uh, are you going to teach them also a different techniques or just the general generic massage? In our clinic, it's Jerry have physical therapy, and it's more like restorative massages, manual therapy. Is that like a sub lecture? I don't know what you call it, subtopic,
Yeah.
or just a generic one? Will you teach them how they can specialize? Or, for example, MFR, you know what MFR, myofascial release, stuff
Yes.
like that?
Yes. My plan is to have those that do specialize in those fields to come in and teach those classes. So we don't just strictly do basic massage. I want them to reach another level. So I want them to have access to those that specialize in those fields, such as myofascial release, cupping, lots of different avenues there. So it's not just strictly basic massage. I want them coming out of school knowing so much more than that.